fun stuff for tomorrow vacation. And we are packing, and I got a new suitcase for my birthday today. And we got pajamas and clothes and dresses. And we get unpacked. And also we are, Daddy's gonna open the wagon tomorrow. Then our grandma's coming to vacation with us. So we got all the panties ready for packing. Then now we are getting ready for vacation tomorrow. And we got the food stuff.
We packed extra so in case we have an accident or something. You don't have accidents anymore, but as a woman, anytime we travel somewhere, as a girl, anytime we go somewhere, we always want to pack extra panties just in case. So now we need to get socks. That's good. You see any black? How about black?
Ooh. Found it.
Okay, so our socks that you're going to wear once you get out of the shower, okay?
Yeah.
Because you got to have shower, so we got enough. All right, where's your socks?
Right here.
Okay, 1 sock, 2 socks, 3, 1 more pair of socks, 4. All right, so these are all your socks, panties, and pajamas. We probably can do swimsuit. So let's put your swimsuits in here. Just fold it over, put it in like that.
Like that?
I love these little cubes because so much fits in it and you can get really organized. Here, we'll do it like this. Okay, so this is the bag with all your...
Okay, let me put it in.
Okay, now we need to... Do you want to get some food in here? Want to get a snack? Let's go see what kind of snacks they have. Ooh, look at all the goodies. Hi. You don't know? Candy. Let's see. These are gummies. You want gummies or? That's a lot. There's a lot of fucking people. I'll go pee here, but she's not going.
Somebody work in there. Let's see it. Go ahead. Right now. Daddy got to get okay. All right, say hey to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Say hey, Diamond Mines. What do you want? That's what you want? Look at that. You don't want the cinnamon roll? The big one? You want one of these? How much is this thing? It's $15. No, or I'm not buying that. Maybe tomorrow, not today.
Real quick, that's what I think. I went back out there to tell Shay that she can use it in here.
How clean is the bathroom?
This one right here. Let's take a quick picture. You got in there the little things.
Yeah.
Oh, this good.
All right, that woman.
All right. Alright, it's a cute little store. There's a lot of stuff in here. The bathroom is very clean, but I'm not going to let Ari use the bathroom in here. We travel with Ari potty. Of course, she's potty trained, but Ari don't know how to squat. So, although we have Lysol and hand wipes and stuff like that, and Clorox wipes, I just don't feel comfortable with her sitting on the toilet. So, yeah, look at all the goodies. Oh, look at all of that. It looks so good.
Soldier, ain't nothing I can't get over. I'm a gangster and a gentleman, broken, but I ain't.
look at the kitchen.
Mommy, the washing machine.
Oh, that's a washing machine?
Come here.
Let's see. Oh, okay. So we can wash clothes really fast. Okay, let's close it. Okay, where are the bedrooms? Okay.
One right here.
Oh, wow. This is a big bedroom.
This is not going to sleep in. You know you can see the ocean from up.
Where's the other bathroom? Is it 2 bathrooms?
Yeah.
Okay.
One right here.
Yeah. It's so big and spacious.
And one right here.
So they're separate. Okay. I like this. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's turn the light on in here so we can see.
I'm going to turn it off.
Okay, let's go turn the light on in the other one. Come on. Let's go.
Here we go. I know how to turn it on. Oh.
Does it not come on?
Daddy, you can come in here in the living room. You can come in here in the living room, Daddy. I'm on your rocking chair. Daddy!
God damn it.
Mickey left. We gotta go on the train. We gotta go on the train. We're going.
So everything is exactly like the picture. Sorry, my lace is itching so bad.
Y'all supposed to be leaving out the door.
All right, let's go. So I'm gonna make sure I leave the booking information for this spot. It is perfect. Went to Walmart and get a couple of items. It's soap here, but I don't care to use like soap that's been in the bathroom that other people I know have had access to, because I know people are nasty. So I'm gonna go buy my own soap. We're gonna get some more cleaning stuff just in case. Then we're gonna pick up some dinner for tonight. Pick up some food for the rest of the few days that we're here. It's supposed to rain every single day that we're here, so I'm gonna try my best to make the best out of this trip. I'm gonna go ahead and do everything that we planned on doing and just follow through with the itinerary. And I literally only got like an hour worth of memory. Hard. So I'm gonna have to clear some memory. But I brought my computer, so I'm just gonna put some stuff on. This view is so pretty. I think I got my phone. Where's my phone? We coming down. Cute little Walmart, y'all. Look. It's definitely like a Walmart market. Not a super center, but it's so cute. But watch her ask for everything in the damn store. Just watch. Alright, let's get one. No, you don't need popsicle. I don't want no hamburger. I don't like hamburger. Okay, so you just want crunchy pizza, right? Let's see. I don't think they have crunchy pizza.
If I don't, I can eat this. I can eat this.
I see they got it right here. You just want cheese, right?
Yeah. Unicorn pizza.
Okay, which one? So if you get in that, then we're not getting that swimsuit. I don't even know what all. Oh, wow. Those are crab bubbles.
Hey! Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot, cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that, cooking up dope in the crock pot, we came from nothing to something, nigga, hey! I don't try nobody, grip the trigger, nobody, call up the gang and they come and get gang, cry me a river, give you a tissue.
I don't know how you get in.
Green or yellow?
Green.
Here.
Oh, man. Y'all, it is hot as hell. My phone is hot. Huh? It's somebody up there. I can feel the same. What, are you scared of the water? You think you're gonna fall in? I said, what are you afraid of the water? You think you're gonna fall in?
Water gonna knock me down.
I don't know how the fuck y'all do it in Florida. Cameras, she said, look what she's eating. She's eating snow cone. Do you remember what flavors you got?
Cotton candy and strawberry.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
Thank you, sir. I'll be drawn. I'll be drawn.
Your destination will be on the left.
Just slow down for a minute.
They see me?
Yes. You gotta tell them what you're doing.
I'm drawing a street rainbow.
Oh, man.
I'm coloring a bird.
She's thinking of something.
Either the shrimp and chicken combo or the char a la few.
Just the stuff he was telling you.
Look!
Yeah, I see it.
I got crocodile. Yes, one day we passed the crab. We passed the crab.
Got some of this.
Thank you so much. They are good. Can I get some more? You want to taste mine?
Okay, turn yours one more time.
You might like it.
Okay. Let me see.
Yeah,
Okay, they see it.
Taste it.
They see it. You want me to try it?
Taste it.
Okay, hold on. Yeah, so they are awake. Oh, look at that one.
You want to pick you up? You want to jump in there? It doesn't get any better up here. It's the same.
Going to end up living between about 50 and 75 years in captivity. So they have a long lifespan. And on top of that long life, alligators are one of the few animals in the world have room here for 215 for alligators, so that is why they go off to larger exhibits. But
Ari, you leaning, baby. Be careful.
Different exhibits. A few questions will come up. The first one that we get every single day is people will say, you know,
Bro, they voted to sell it now. So ain't seen it.
They all told us that I would be